Welcome to Chapel Creek in West Mobile, Alabama. This community is just east of Eliza Jordan Road. This Destin floor plan offers 4 bedrooms with 3 full baths. This home is over 2,300 square feet. It has beautiful granite countertops in the kitchen and in the baths, tray ceilings in the living area and in the primary suite. This has a 3-car garage, a smart home package, and this is a Gold Fortified home, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. Now don't forget, D.R. Horton pays up to $4,000 towards your buyer's closing cost. Call today for your private showing. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at FrankieWink 3600. Call today for your private showing. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, FrankieWink 3600.